So what we got here is a disgruntled owner of this vehicle here. It's an old Suburban. We tinted it probably 6 months ago. She doesn't like it. It's too dark in the back, so we took the film off and we're gonna put some clear stuff on there. Oh yeah, that disgruntled owner was Amanda.
Hello.
That's Amanda.
Right now we're coating this gun so that way it could be easier to maintain, and that way less debris sticks to it whenever they do go fire it.
Yeah, finishing up this black plastic trim. The customer developed a lot of swirls and somewhat scratches on it. So we're trying to polish it and make it look perfect again. But this plastic is really soft and it's difficult to polish. But yeah, that's what we're working on right now. We're just testing different pads and different polish compounds. See what works best.
Chris, is this the funnest part? Yeah. Well, after we've had a bunch of tacos.